What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we getting it in on the rim, man. 26, gonna make a couple of hits on the motor, see what it do, cause this time we ain't got no bent axle. So you know, I told you I shot this the same day as I shot when I went to the track on the slicks. So you know, making the most of the day, man. So what we got going on, we got one more to put on. Alright, y'all see it. We're getting the last one on. Shout out to my big bro D. Shout out to my boy Clint. Helping me out and stuff, man. Appreciate it. Dirty Works. So yeah, that's what we got going on. We got one more to put on. They'll make a couple of hits on motor. And they're gonna get it. So y'all just stay tuned. I see it, man. Big bro getting it all. Pat down here today too, y'all. See, we're just doing this for some data or whatever. We're just doing this for some data to see what we're gonna do since we got good axles in it now and all that. Get this thing on, then check back in with y'all. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. We in the car in the staging lane, man. From getting ready to make the first hit on the wheel. Like I said, the staging lane is slam packed. It's slam packed, man. I don't know. So next time I turn y'all on, man, it probably gonna be making a pad. I'm gonna be on the GoPro, then get the outside footage, on the camera and all that. So I don't know. We're gonna see what happens, man. Hope I get 2 hits in for y'all. Then I'm gonna load this thing up. Cause the temperature finna start dropping and all of that, and then we know it ain't gonna work. So y'all just stay tuned. Turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all. Checking in the lane. Finna play around with my bro, man. Like I said, we cool, man. We just putting on a show. Have a good time. Clean Monte Carlo. Like I said, first pad. Let's see what happens, man. I'm gonna make 2 hits, so y'all know, and we just gonna see what it do. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We're gonna be on the GoPro. Alright, y'all. So I'm still in the car, man. I came straight back to the staging lane. Shout out to my boy, man. He won that one, man. I spun the tires a little too much, and I tried to roll out a little too much. But I'm just testing the tuning on these wheels. Like I said, I ain't trying to lay the law down. I know what it'll do when I get it to bite. Run this white Monte Carlo. I ran him in R&B. He killed me, man. They in the same count, so he probably done judged off a man, and he on 15, so I don't kill, man. He on 15, I'm on 26, heavier car, but you know, it is what it is. I ain't got nothing to lose. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on. After this, man, we'll get back to the trailer, and then we're gonna see what it do. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. They were I ran back-to-back hot lap, man, on the rim. I just want to get y'all 2 runs, get some data. Like I said, boy, he was a dead fish in water. He dodged the bullet then. He dodged the bullet. I hit the tire hard, man. I thought I was in the 60. I said it probably ain't gonna lift the tire that bad, but it did. I told y'all Dolo makes some power, for real. It's a hidden beast, man. Folks just don't know. A wolf in sheep clothing, but it is what it is. See what the ticket is. That's all I want. I'm gonna get home and study the data. I don't know what I did with it. Anyway, I'm gonna get home and study the data and see what's up. And you know, we're gonna see what they do. I'm gonna have to find it. All right, y'all, we checking in. We got Big Dolo loaded up, man. Made the 2 passes like I said. Getting cool out here, so y'all know it's a wrap. The car going fast. Cause the time it went was damn near the same of what I went on the very first time when I had the bent axle, but I spun the tire worse this time. So it definitely, it's a whole lot faster, and it's a lot lift in it. I just got to dial them in, man. I ain't dialed in for hard tire. It set the bike real hard. And like I said, I'm just out here having fun. And what better way? I like testing beside people, cause it make you drive better. Like you have to drive better. You're trying to go and all that. But you know, all in all, good day. Real good day, man. Big Dolo did good. Came back home in one piece. Hell, I could drive it home if I wanted to. I can drive it back home if I wanted to with no problem. So, gonna get this thing back, man. Unload it, and then I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get to the house. So y'all. All right, y'all, we checking in. So, back from the track. Y'all know it's nighttime. We left early at nighttime, but it ain't even. It's only 7:25. But man, Big Bro got everything put up, man. I got shout out to Big Bro for the help. Clint too. I got shout out Clint for the help too. Changing to the wheels and stuff. Cause y'all know I shot 2 videos today, so y'all seeing it the same day. But got everything put up in a timely manner. Thanks to my brother. He in the house talking to my mother-in-law and stuff right now, and father-in-law. But it was a good day, man. On the wheels, like I said, the car. I got some data. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted, man. I got some data. I got to have a little fun racing people and stuff, racing a couple of people. Even when I test and tune, I don't mind testing tune beside somebody and all that. Shout out to man. Like I said, that's my boy, man, LGR. He got a bad box Chevy too. Been rocking with them a long time. I don't mind playing around with people I'm cool with, man. This and that. Shout out to my bro with the Monte Carlo. We always play at this point. Said he too up on me, man. He too up on me at this point. I gotta get you next time. I know he'll see the video. I gotta get you, brother. You too up on me. He abused R&B, man. You don't supposed to abuse a lady, man. He abused R&B. But everybody can abuse that car. That car's a cruiser. But Dolo, he slipped by me and Dolo in the Monte Carlo. I'm telling y'all, he honestly slipped by me. If you see this, you slipped by me, brother. You dodged the bullet that time. I don't know if you sprayed me or not. I don't really care. It run with your brawn. I ain't tripping about that. Like I said, it run with your brawn. If you got it, use it. That's my philosophy. So, but I'm just talking, man. Like I said, I had fun with y'all 2 guys. If y'all see that for real, on serious note, I did have fun. I just wanted to run Dolo to get some data, and I got some data. So I know I got a starting point. I know what we're working with. Cause the first time I had a bent axle, y'all saw that. I had to change the axles, and boy, between that, it's the bent axle, man. You'll be surprised how much the bent axle slow you down. And if you're a part of the BCG Hangout, then y'all saw the video, and y'all know the BCG Hangout members. They'll probably comment on the video. They seen it, cause the video they saw is different from this. I'm just saying straight up. So if you're part of the BCG Hangout, you know you seen the data. But the difference, cause the only thing I changed was the axle. I didn't use no tram brake on no rim, cause my shock's not set up. It would have blistered the tire from the line. So, but what it did was damn near identical when it had the bent axle. And the bent axle, it just hazed the tire and then went. This time, it It just unloaded the tire, man. The first time it unloaded the tires on the line. When I ran my boy Man in the clean SS. Both of them clean, but when I ran the first SS, it just unloaded the tire, man. But I don't know if you can see on the GoPro, I was coming. I was right there. And when Man came back around, he said, you spun the tire bad, didn't you? I was like, yeah. He said, yeah, boy, they were closing. Cause I didn't know if I nosed them out, but I told y'all on the camera, I said, I think he got me. But I was coming, boy. I was coming like a train, man. Dolo was coming like a train, but I hit the tires and I rolled a little too much. I slow rolled. When I say roll, I mean just let it roll like this before I get on the gas. Then got on it. And it was just too much, man. It was too much. I thought I could run them down. Then it just hated the tire and then went. It started pulling. But I ran out of real estate. And the second race, I rolled out good. I rolled out good on him. But when I went full throttle, it blistered the tire so bad, man. I was shocked. I really was shocked. It was like I grabbed some nitrous. And I ain't had no bottle. Y'all, I ain't show y'all. I took the bottle out the car and stuff. Cause Unc was like, why you don't spray it? Honk and Jared, why you don't spray it on the rim? I'm like, man, I'm not finna spray that car on rim. And the suspension not set up. I'm not even finna attempt to set no ramp for rim. Cause it ain't gonna do nothing. Cause look what it did on motor. So I was like, I'm not even finna attempt to spray this car until I rent the track and have an actual test session. But I see the car gonna go very fast on rims. It gonna go very fast on rims or whatever. It ain't heavyweight fast car. I still got a true street car. Me and my big bro were talking about that on the way down. Like, I still got a true street car. I ain't no pump faker. I am not a pump faker, man. I am not a pump faker. I'm more street than a lot of people. I got a true street car that actually drive mine. Y'all see it. So, pump gas engine, 93 octane. But the car, for what that car is, being or can be daily driven, it's gonna lay the law down on the wheels when I fine tune the chassis. I got all the equipment. I just gotta fine tune it. So, all in all, I'm happy. I'm happy. It was a very good and productive day at the track, man. It was a very good and productive day at the track on the wheels. Only my third pass on the wheels. Like, this my third time running on those 26s. First time bent axle. Y'all saw that I didn't make one pass. This time made two. It hit the tires. And third time the charm. Y'all know how I get down. Y'all know. If you ain't seen the pattern by now, if you've been watching me at the track, when I do the track videos and you ain't seen the pattern, then you lost in the sauce. Y'all see how I get down, man. The people that really watch, y'all know I take a break about 2 weeks from going to track, maybe 3 weeks. But when I come back, whatever problems I have be corrected, and the cars do what they supposed to. The cars, they do what they supposed to. So same thing. When next time people see that car, like when I did the video, y'all see I ran on the gas. When I ran on the gas, the car went down through there quick, and it ain't on its full potential. Cause it spun. It gonna go faster. It gonna go faster. But the point is, last time I was blistering the tires, hitting the tires and stuff to where when they leave the line, it got down track. I got data to work with now. I can study. So next time y'all see that car, go down the track on the wheels, unless I just want to play around, just to give y'all content. It's gonna lay the law down. It's gonna be like night and day different fast. I'm telling you. Cause it's gonna be, the 60 foot gonna be crazy. I promise you. Remember what I said. If people ain't been watching me by now and they don't believe me, forgive them for being lost. Cause I'm not a capper. I'm not a capper. I'm not a bragger. I do stuff to have fun, but I do my stuff right, and my program be together. And I'm a one-man army when it comes to this stuff. I got people that help me on the side, but when I make my moves and I fund my program, one-man army. And I'm gonna get it right. So for my own personal, I got a personal goal of what I want to run on wheels. So if you're in the BCG crew, then you already know what their goal is. But other than that, hey man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in every day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Catch y'all later. BCG, we out.